Tink. So, I had a look at the Nvidia Tegra Wikipedia page a couple of years ago and noticed something peculiar. But now that the Switch 2 is about to come out and we have the updated Wikipedia page with the Switch 2 Tegra chipsets, I'm fairly sure I know which exact chipset would have come into the Switch Pro for the Switch 1. And that one is, as we can see here, we have the Tegra X1. You know, this have different versions in it. You can see the different wattages. That's something that you have to look out for. And then for the Tegra X2, that people used to think was going to be the Switch Pro, you have different wattages as well. However, for the Tegra Xavier, you can see clearly sectioned off wattages, and you have the code name under one that is called NX. Now, what is NX? NX is actually the code name for the Switch 1. Why would there be an NX section off in the Tegra chipset that is Tegra Xavier, right? Where we have the NX as a code name for the Switch 1, right? A couple of years ago, I thought, well, that must mean that the Tegra Xavier is the one in the Switch Pro. Now we have the Tegra Orin that the Switch 2 processor is based on, and you can also see here with the wattages, the architecture, there's a consistent similarity between the Tegra X1 in the Switch 1, the Tegra Xavier in the Switch Pro, and the Tegra Orin that is in a T239 that is in the Switch 2. Thank you. Take.